if you want to use Snip and Sketch to take a little screenshot, if you type Snip and Sketch here, and you can open the app, you tell it you want to do a new snip, and then it gives you the option to just highlight what it is you want to take a little snapshot of. So there it is, and I just need to save it. So if I click on the little save button, I can save it. It saves it to your computer. So I'll save it and I'll call it my test one. I can save it there and I can close that down. And then all I would need to do if I wanted to paste it in, let's say I wanted to paste it excuse me, onto a new document, then I can just insert my image, upload it from my computer, and it will ask me. So if I ask it to find test, hopefully it will pull it up. There it is, because that's what I called it. And I just insert it there, and there we go. So that is how you do a little snip and sketch.